everyone, welcome to Skin Charm Studio. Join me as I put red lipstick to the test today and see if it really brightens up my face. So for years I have been hearing people rave about the magic of red lipstick and how it can instantly brighten up your complexion. So that's what I'm going to test today. I do not have any makeup today on my face. It's bare. I've only put on my moisturizer and sunscreen. I've got a few options of red lipstick with me and I'm going to test all of them one by one to see which one suits my face best and hides all my imperfections without using any foundation or concealer. So first up I have Renee's Prime Matte Red Lipstick in the shade Rustic Red. I've heard that this is a perfect match for a MAC's Ruby Woo. So this is what it looks like. It's really red. Okay, I'm not going to use any lip liner. I'm directly going to use the lipstick. So next I'm going to try Renee's Muse, which is like really red. Oh, that's red. Oh. Up next I'm going to try Brown Anatomy's Boss Babe. Ooh, like the name. Last but not the least, I'm going to try Recode's shade 8. It's like tomato red. So this is what Recode looks like in natural lighting. This is Brown Anatomy's Boss Babe. I think I like this the best. It's very, like, not too much on the face and very lightweight and makes my teeth whiter. This is Renee's Rustic Red. And this is Renee's Muse. Not too red, but very mildly red, and I like it. I really think that this theory works, and all the red shades made my face a little brighter and my teeth look white. I think this is going to be my new go-to look without any eye makeup and just the red lip to go with it. Do let me know which red lip was your favorite. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Skin Charm Studio. Until we meet again, it's bye from me.
Damn.